Howdy, y'all. Just doing a quick unboxing or unbagging, if you will. This is my silicone bowl brush that has finally showed up. Yay! From Amazon. From Melanie Suzie. It's from www.melaniesuzie.com. That was sold on Amazon. And it is a silicone set of brushes and a bowl. Pinches for my epoxy. It's really sold for makeup for applying face mask. It's called a Melody Suzie Face Mask Mixing Bowl Set. The only thing is it came in pastels, and personally I would have rather had black and pink, since they're my favorites. One of my favorite colors. But I'll be making alcohol ink with that here in a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, that'll wipe out nicely, nice. And it pinches. It's a silicone bowl. We'll give it a little wipe out. And it came with a little palette knife. And it came with 2 of these silicone brushes that I've seen recommended for applying epoxy to the tumblers. So we're going to try it tonight and see what happens. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Have a great night. Bye.